Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning. I'm Amjad Ali here from Doha, Qatar. And today our topic is atomic structure. In the atomic structure, we are going to discuss the discovery of electron. As regard of the discovery of electron, J.J. Thomson, he performed a glass discharge tube experiment. In this glass discharge tube, he inserted the electrode. One electrode is attached with the negative terminal of the battery, that is cathode. Other is attached with the positive terminal of the battery, that is anode. More, he evaculated this glass discharge tube with the help of a vacuum pump and insert a gas, and later maintained the low pressure like 0.1 torr. He applied a very high voltage current here, nearly 5,000 to 10,000 volts, and he observed that some rays are emitted from the cathode and start to travel towards the anode. He gave the names to these rays cathode rays. When these rays strike with the walls of the glass discharge tube, they give green glowing. And later, the properties of the cathode rays were discovered by the different scientists. Like, there was one scientist, he performed an experiment. He applied an electric field on the glass discharge tube, and he observed that when the electric field is applied on the cathode rays, these cathode rays bend towards the positive pole of the electric field. It means that these rays are composed of negatively charged particles. More, one another scientist was there and he performed an experiment. He placed a opaque object on the path of cathode rays, and he observed that they cast the shadow in front of that. It means that these rays travel in a straight line, and these rays cannot penetrate through the opaque object. One more experiment was performed by another scientist, and he placed a light paddle wheel on the path of cathode rays. When these cathode rays strike to this light paddle wheel, they rotate that one. It means that these rays can cause the mechanical motion. So, properties of the cathode rays we can again repeat, like how they can travel. They travel in a straight line. If the electric field and magnetic field is applied, what happens? They bend towards the positive pole of the electric field. It means these rays are composed of negatively charged particles. And if opaque object is placed on their path, they cause shadow. If a fluorescent screen is placed on their path, they can affect that. Causes of the mechanical motion. If a light paddle wheel is placed on their path, they can cause the mechanical motion. It means they have some energy. And they can also produce the X-rays. If they strike on the anode having high atomic number, they can produce X-rays. If these cathode rays pass through the gases, they can ionize the gases as well. At the end, they find the E over m value and conclude that the E over m value of the particle of a cathode rays is same like that of the electron. So in this way, electron discover. Okay, students, next, inshallah, we will discuss in next lecture. See you again. Allah Hafiz.